It's just a quick video of my part of my Smith & Wesson revolver collection. First up is a Smith & Wesson model 29-3 44 Magnum, 6-inch barrel. This gun was made in 1988. I purchased it in 2008. It was in like new condition when I purchased it, supposedly unfired. I believe I paid $525 for it. Has the hammer mounted firing pin. .44 Magnum. Next is a Smith & Wesson model 629-8 .44 Magnum, 6.5-inch barrel, stainless finish. I purchased this gun new in 2012. It's a 629 Classic. I believe I paid $770 for this gun. Has the frame mounted firing pin. Factory rubber grips on it. Next is a Smith & Wesson model 36, no dash. J-frame 38 special. This gun was made in 1955. Has the pin barrel. It's in excellent condition. Bluing is almost perfect on it. I added the Pachmeyer grips to it. They seem to fit me a little bit better. I believe I paid $425 for this gun about a year ago. Next is a Smith & Wesson model 686-6. It's a Tello edition. Holds 7 rounds. 2.5-inch barrel. It's the factory wood grips, being it's a Tello edition. Frame mounted firing pin. It's a very accurate carry gun, fun with target practice. I believe I paid around $670 for it. Next is a Smith & Wesson model 686 no dash. Hammer mounted firing pin. This gun was polished at one time. 4-inch barrel. Factory wood grips. And I believe I paid $450 for this gun about 2 years ago. Got a really good deal on it from a dealer that I deal with for all of my firearms. And this is just a quick video of part of my revolver collection, and I'm going to be doing some other videos on some of my other firearms here in the future. Thanks for watching.